Hi everyone, it's Kim, and I'm here to show you how I slay this twist out using Novex new Mystic Black hair care line. Let's get started. I'm starting off with dry hair and I'm putting it into 4 sections. My hair has been braided up the last few weeks because I've been wearing a wig. So I want to pre-treat my hair before I wash it. So I'm going to grab in my magic bag of Novex products and pull out the deep hair mask and use that to pre-treat my hair. Before applying the deep hair mask, I'm going to grab my hair growth oil and massage that into my scalp. This is also a pre-treatment that leaves your hair feeling very, very soft. So I'm going to put that on the ends and throughout my scalp, and then I'm going to apply the Novex deep hair mask on every section of my hair. I am not going to detangle at this time. I just want this to penetrate my scalp and my hair follicles. So I'm not detangling, I'm just massaging this with my fingers throughout each section of hair. After allowing this to sit on my hair for about 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and just untangle each section of my hair and again go through it with my fingers just to make sure it's deep in there before I go ahead and rinse it out. Next, I'll be digging in my bag of Novex products and pulling out the shampoo. I'm going to again put my hair into 4 separate sections. It's just easier to work with that way, and I'm going to grab the shampoo, and I've already rinsed out the conditioner. I'm sorry I couldn't record that, but I'm going to go ahead and apply the shampoo into each section of my hair and lather that up, and then rinse that out. My hair is definitely softer after the pre-treatment, so I'm just going to go ahead with my scalp massager and just shampoo that hair, get that in there, penetrate that scalp, and this feels so good, you guys. I'm going to go back through one more time with my fingers, rinse that out, dig into my bag of Novex goodies, pull out the conditioner, and this is where I'll detangle my hair. I'm going to hand put my hair into 4 separate sections again because it's easier to work with my hair this way. And I'm going to apply the conditioner to each section of my hair, and then I will go ahead and detangle each section at this time. Because of the pre-treatment, my hair is definitely more manageable, easy to work with. I go through it with my detangling brush, also with my big wide tooth comb, and my hair is definitely more manageable. After allowing that to sit on my hair for about 10 minutes, I'm going to go through each section again with my detangling brush, and just to make sure I have every bit of my hair covered, that every bit is detangled, and I'm going to rinse that out. After rinsing that out, I'm digging into my bag of Novex goodies, and I'm going to pull out the leave-in conditioner. Before I apply the leave-in conditioner, I like to use my hair growth oil to again seal in the moisture to keep my hair soft, and then I'm just going to apply just a little dab of the leave-in conditioner, apply that throughout my scalp, throughout my hair. And to start my twist out, I'm going to separate my hair into separate sections just because it's, again, easier to work with this way. And I'm going to put it into 3 sections and work on each section at a time, starting with the back. I'm using my wide tooth comb to make sure every section of my hair is detangled. And again, I'm going to put this into different sections and start doing each individual twist. For each section, I'm going to use my Africa's Best Texture Shea Butter Curls Curl Defining Cream. It's one of my favorite curl defining creams. It works really well on my hair. And I'm going to apply this to each section of the hair. And I'm also going to use the African Pride Shea Butter Miracle Curl Styling Custard. A little dab of that into each section and twist up my hair in each individual section. And that's how I get the curls to get really defined. Not too big a section. And I'm just going to keep continuing to twist and perform this way throughout my hair. Again, just the Shea Butter Curls Curl Defining Cream with a dab of the Shea Butter Miracle Curl Styling Custard on each section of hair. During this time, I use my fingers to continue to detangle my hair, but I like to use my detangling brush just to make sure those ends are really, really loose, because I really want to control that frizz and get a good curl definition. I'm not really twisting my hair in any particular pattern. After I see how it is defined after drying, I will see how I'm going to style my hair. So I didn't really do it in any specific style, if you understand what I'm saying. I'm just twisting and letting it do what it do. I am currently 18 months natural, and I'm so happy with the progress of my hair growth. I will do an update on my hair growth and the products that I'm using to grow my hair. So you guys make sure you subscribe so you can stay tuned for those natural hair videos, because it is working. I'm starting to see growth, and girlfriend is pleased, pleased, pleased. Almost to my 2-year mark. Watch out. The length is coming. Natural hair is going to be on fleek real soon, let me tell you. Now I'm at the end. As you can see, each section is perfectly twisted. And because I'm in a rush, I decided to grab my blow dryer bonnet. I got this off of Amazon, a quick gadget that helps dry your hair very fast. I love it. Find it on Amazon. After sitting under that for about 15 minutes, I'm just going to grab my blow dryer and just make sure my twists are hanging down. I don't want them going in every direction because I was up under the bonnet. So I'm just making sure the hair is dry. Look at it blowing in the wind. It could be a little drier, but again, it has something to do. So after applying my makeup, I'm going to come back and start to untwist each one of those twists and get to styling my hair. I'm going to use my sweet almond oil just to use as an oil to moisturize as I detangle my twists, and just to massage into my scalp and to give my hair a nice shine. I'm going to do this into each section of the hair, and then we're going to get to styling and see what kind of style we can come up with. I am very pleased with the curl definition. The Novex Mystic Black Line has definitely controlled my frizz. It's helping to untangle my hair. My hair was so easy to untangle because it was so soft. I will also have a link to these products down below. You have to check out Novex. I will also link my previous videos for these products from their different hairlines down below. I will also have a link to their Instagram and to their Facebook. Definitely check them out. Now I'm just using my edge control to control those edges and try to come up with a style. If you guys want to see more natural hairstyles and you're liking this one when you're finished watching this video, please thumbs up and let me know. Leave a comment down below. As my hair is continuing to grow, I'm just excited to try different styles. Definitely let me know. I will keep them coming. I'm going to use my pick to add some volume to my hair, and then I'm going to use my fingers just to separate some of those coils. But check out the curl definition. My hair did not dry completely, but it is very defined, and I'm just working with my fingers just to add volume and just to complete this style. I'm going to remove my little stocking that I have holding back my area and then apply my headband. I just wanted to get my hair to set really well. And I'm just going to take that off right now, adjust my headband, and basically that is it. Just make some final touches. And now just to make sure my edges are laying down well, I'm going to grab my edge control and my toothbrush and just add some definition to my baby hairs there, just to accentuate the style and the headband, and that will complete my look. You guys, thumbs up if you're feeling this look. If you like it, definitely let me know. I will keep more natural hair videos on my channel. And basically that is it. Check me out. 18 Months Natural. Simple twist out. Be sure to check out Mystic Black Hair Care line from Novex. Links down below in the description box. Everybody have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.